All right, today we're going to talk about a tool that is, and I mean this, an absolute game changer for any student learning to code. Google Colab. It's powerful, it's collaborative, and maybe best of all, it's totally free. So, let's dive in.
Okay, if you're a student, I'm sure you know this feeling, right? You get a coding assignment, you're all fired up to start, but hold on. First, you have to wrestle with installations and package managers and all these confusing environments. It can seriously feel like the project is over before you've even written a single line of actual code.
And that right there, that's what we're calling the student coder's dilemma. It's this whole set of common frustrations that can make learning to code way, way harder than it needs to be.
Look, these hurdles probably sound way too familiar. You've got that tangled mess of software installation, the constant panic of, did I save my work? The absolute nightmare of group projects, emailing files back and forth, trying to figure out who has the latest version, and oh man, trying to manage different versions of Python. It's just a mess.
But what if I told you there's a better way? A way where all those problems, the tangled installs, the version conflicts, the lost work, could just, poof, disappear into the cloud. What if you could just focus on the coding without all the headaches?
Well, that solution is Google Colab. I want you to think of it as your personal, super powerful, always ready coding environment that just lives in the cloud.
So Colab, which is short for Google Collaboratory, it's not some piece of software you have to install. Nope, it's just a web page. You write and run your Python code right there in your browser, and you're actually using Google's powerful servers to do it. This means you don't even need a fancy computer to do some really heavy-duty stuff like machine learning.
I mean, just look at the difference here. With a traditional setup on your computer, you have to install everything. In Colab, you just open a browser tab. Done. Locally, you have to remember to hit Save, Save, Save. Colab, it automatically saves everything to your Google Drive. But the real game changer for students is sharing. Forget emailing files back and forth. With Colab, you share one single live link, just like a Google Doc.
Okay, theory is one thing, but let's actually see this thing in action, right? We're going to create and run our very first program in what Colab calls a notebook.
Getting started is, well, it's about as simple as it gets. You just go to the website, click New Notebook, and a fresh project just appears. Now, first things first, give it a real name. That IPYNB at the end, by the way, just stands for Interactive Python Notebook. It's the standard for these kinds of projects.
Okay, so once your notebook is open, you're going to see this, a little box with a play button. This, my friends, is a code cell, and it's where all the magic happens. It's where you'll write and run all your Python code. So, let's start with the classic rite of passage, Hello World. You just type your Python code directly into the cell, exactly like you would in any other editor. All we're doing here is telling the computer to print out 2 lines of text for us. Simple.
Now, to actually run this code, first you gotta hit Connect. And this is the super cool part. You're basically telling Google, hey, lend me one of your powerful computers for a minute. It instantly gives you RAM and disk space on their servers. Once you see those little green check marks, you're good to go. Just click that play button or hit Control plus Enter. And boom, just like that, the output shows up right below the code cell. You've just written and run a Python program entirely in your browser. No installation, no fuss. How easy was that?
But here's the thing, a Colab notebook is way more than just a place to run code. You can also document your work and use some amazing shortcuts that can turn a simple script into a full-blown report.
This feature is just perfect for school projects. You can add what are called text cells right next to your code. Think of it this way. The code tells the computer how to do something, but the text cells, they tell a human why you're doing it. This is where you explain your process, add titles, or write instructions for your teacher. And you can even make this text look really nice and professional. The cells understand some basic formatting, so you can easily create bold text, headers, bullet points, the whole deal. It's a really simple way to make your assignments look polished and super organized. Okay, now for one of my absolute favorite features, and this is a real secret weapon for students, code snippets. Let's say your teacher asks you to visualize some data with a chart. Normally, that's a whole process. You've got to import libraries and write a bunch of complicated code, but in Colab, there's a much, much faster way.
You just go to the side menu, find the Code Snippets library, search for what you need, maybe a bar plot, you click Insert, and bam! Colab just drops all the code you need right into a cell for you. You run it, and you get a perfect chart with almost zero effort. It's an incredible time saver.
All right, so you've written your code, you've documented it,
You even added a fancy chart. Now for what might be the single biggest deal for students, sharing your work.
And this is going to feel super familiar because it works exactly like Google Docs. You just click that share button, type in an email, and decide what they can do. Viewer lets them look but not touch. Commenter lets them leave notes. And editor, well, that lets them jump right in and code alongside you in real time.
This quote from a teacher really just nails it, doesn't it? This isn't just about sending in your homework. We're talking about real-time collaboration. Your group project partner could be on the other side of the country, and you can both be working in the exact same file at the exact same time. It just completely changes the game for group work.
So that's your crash course on Google Colab. It's a tool that lives in your browser, gets rid of all that setup frustration, and lets you focus on what really matters, solving problems and building amazing projects. It's free, it's powerful, and it's ready for you to use right now. So the only question left is, what will you build first?